Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 methods to print a string using Python. In each of these methods, we'll not need everyone. Let's just get right into it. We're going to make our list equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The most basic way here is just to have our result equal to sum of list. Just use the sum function. And then print result. That'll give us 15. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 15. Okay, so that's method number 1. Method number 2. Result equals 0, and then we're going to use a for loop. For num in list result plus equal. So we're going to use the plus equal operator of num. And then we're going to print result. So we're using the plus equal operator in a for loop, also going to give us 15. Okay, and then the third method is going to be using lambda. So we're going to do from functools import reduce list equals 1. Oh crap, I shouldn't have a that's right. List equals, and then we're going to do result equals reduce lambda pass in the list, clean it up a bit. Does that look right? I think so. Print the list. Oh, that doesn't make sense. Hold on a second. Result equals reduce. That's because I printed the list, not that. 15. There you go. So those are the 3 ways to sum a list using Python. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.